Mario. Do you want to go get some lunch?
Sure, Sonic. Let's go to Burger King.
Okay.
Q. The coast is clear. Now time to create a fake emergency alert broadcast.
Attention all residents of Go Animate City, we are here to notify you that a group of gunmen are abducting tens of kids in the Go Animate Town neighborhood. Please stay in your homes, lock your doors, close all curtains, turn out the lights, and hide in a very unusual place because the gunmen are now breaking into people's homes and killing them. This is a very concerning situation, so people please take this very seriously. Oh no. The gunmen have reported to have killed approximately 1,753 people. Please hide. Oh no.
They're in the office.
Oh no, it's Mario and Sonic.
Hey, young man. What are you doing in here?
Wait a minute. No one but you was in the room while the emergency alert system was going on. Was it you? Spit it out, boo bro. Spit it out.
Well, I have confession to make. I broke into your office while you were going to lunch and pressed the emergency alert button. It was just supposed to be a prank.
Oh, boo bro, I cannot believe you did that. That's it. We will put you on the news and call your parents and then you will be grounded.
No.
Hello. Sarah West. Yeah, please send the news crew up here. Yeah. The 8th floor. Okay. Thanks. Bye.
I am here at the GNN headquarters recording station, where Boo Bro created a fake emergency broadcast. Yes. An alert where a child abduction was taken. Now the camera is zooming into the two bosses of this room. Mario and Sonic.
Well, we were going to Burger King and were watching the televisions in the TV shop, and when all of a sudden, the alert went off and we ran so fast back to the station.
And we missed going to Burger King. I was going to order a double Whopper sandwich, and Mario was going to order a tender grilled chicken sandwich. And now we can't go.
And now we go to the boy who created this fake emergency broadcast. Boo Bro.
I'm sorry everyone for making this fake emergency broadcast. Mom, Dad, please don't ground me.
To the parents of Boo Bro, you will be paying $500,000 to the GNN's radio station for falsely reporting an emergency and breaking into our office.
We are going right now.
Boo Bro. We cannot believe you made a fake emergency alert system by breaking into Mario and Sonic's office and falsely reporting an emergency alert broadcast.
And now we have to pay $500,000 thanks to you. And you know what? You are grounded for 548 weeks.
Now go upstairs to your room right now.
now.